It's happening for a single reason, because I'm the only candidate that they do not want to run against, and the polls bear this out. All these polls that are coming out today, we're beating Biden by a lot. We're beating DeSantis by a lot. Just last night, Fox has us up. I say us because me is us as far as I'm concerned. Really true. But Fox has us up by almost 50 points on DeSantis, and we're beating Biden by a lot. Ron DeSantis, I endorsed him. He only won because I endorsed him, and he says, well, I have no comment as to whether or not I'm running. I said, did he say that? That means he's running. Let's go. Let's go get him. And he's fallen like a very badly injured bird from the sky. He's really been hit hard. Harvard-Harris just came out, and they have very similar results. We're leading by 57 points, 55 points, 50 points. We're leading in some by 65 points, leading by 65 points. Nobody's seen anything like it. And a lot of it, you know, I read where people love my policy, but they don't like me. I think they like me. What's not to like? They like me. It's not just about policy. Got to have something else, right? But I think they like me, and I think that I love them. I love the people of this country, and they've gone through a lot. This last period of time has been excruciating. In South Carolina, Ron is in 4th place now. I'm leading by 35 points, but you know, you have a senator, you have a governor running from South Carolina, great state. We're leading by a lot. But Ron has actually dropped to 4th place, and he's dropped to 2nd place in other states, and it's pretty amazing what's happened. It's a beautiful thing to watch. Oh, I shouldn't say that. We have religious people. I should not be saying that, right? But religious people want to win. We want to win. And we want to win because we're going to do a great job for the country. We have to finish what we started. But most importantly, in just about all of these polls, that we're beating Biden by a lot. And it was a big story today. A lot of great stories being written. And do you remember in 2016 and 2020, I talk about the polls, but only if I was doing well. If I was doing poorly, I wouldn't talk about it. But we never had a period where we were doing very poorly, I will say that. I wasn't running, or if I wasn't, and if I wasn't running, or if I was in 5th place or 4th place or 3rd place or 10th place, none of this horrible election interference would have happened. It wouldn't be happening. I wouldn't be going through any trials and tribulations. I wouldn't have had the mugshot. I wouldn't have dated it. That shot has been something, hasn't it? They have sold more T-shirts than any T-shirt ever in history. They're all over the place. I see pictures of people that are walking the streets of New York. Even, I must say, some of the illegal immigrants that came in, they've got my mugshot on. That thing, I don't know how they make these things so quickly, but they do. But we've become very much a banana republic with what they're doing to our country. We're like a banana republic. We're like a 3rd world country. We did great in 2016, and we won. We did much better in 2020 than we did in 2016. And as I said, getting millions and millions more votes than any sitting president. And we are going to do better in 2024 than we've ever done. And I can tell you that there has never been spirit like this. We had unbelievable spirit in 2016. We had more spirit, even more spirit in 2020. We've got many more votes.